I have a 2022 Toyota 4Runner, and it has some headliner patches. Some people are asking about how they fasten. If you look on the back, and you can see there's a Velcro. These are all the loop. It's been sewed into this patch here, and like I said, they just kind of just push right on. Not a big thing, but I've had a couple people ask about how they fasten on. Like I said, they just pull right off. Doesn't do any major damage or anything. So like I say, just kind of push them on the way you want. And I know there's a lot of people, so again, just a hoop loop on the back to come with patches. If not, add your own.